Good morning again, everyone. So today, Verasity just dropped a bombshell this morning, and we are going to go over that here in a minute. But for those of you who are new, I'm going to go over this really quick. Verasity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. If you want to learn more, I have a whole playlist about Verasity that you can go ahead and check out. But anyways, guys, let's jump over to this news right now. So Verasity has big news. They have received notice of allowance for a second proof of view patent, guys. This is very, very huge, and I went over some of this in my last video that I'll share with you guys later. But let's open this article up by CoinSpeaker and go over exactly what this means for Verasity. So Verasity is a leading company in blockchain-powered ad tech and has received a notice of allowance for a second patent of its blockchain proof of view system and method from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Guys, this is super huge. So once the product and protocol layer platform for esports and video entertainment pays the issuing fee, the patent will automatically be granted to the company within a few weeks. Not months, weeks, guys. This team is moving quick. The patent can be found in full under the US patent application. Here's the number right here, 17-192045. The patent, which was filed on June 24th, 2021, outlines proof of view second verification system in detail. Due to the patent cooperation treaty, Verasity is now able to file patents worldwide for 1 whole year from the date of the patent that was filed. This means that Veracity's proof of view patent is now effectively protected globally. So additionally, the patent was actually updated and had additional parameters to improve the fraud protection and detection of capabilities for users and to increase user experience that it would offer. So with that being said, they also offered and covered many aspects of NFTs, because there has been a lot of fraudulent activity around the NFT space. As we have recently seen, I've seen quite a few articles where people have been getting scammed with that. But anyways, guys, I talked a lot about this because with this right here, guys, now Verasity can actually utilize its proof of view patent towards other applications. Now they can branch out to the medical field, they can branch out to telecommunications, and they can also branch out to space applications and much more. I explained this in my last video, and I'll show you the clip here. Another key point that I would like to share, I've been trying to touch down on this one in so many videos, and this is finally providing clarification to that. So basically, POV adoption will expand to other practical applications as there is a demand for robust fraud detection and the verification solutions in almost any branch or industry, guys. So this means that Veracity's proof of view protocol is going to be able to branch out to more than just the advertisement industry and esport industry. They're going to be able to enter the movie industry, the video industry, and then they can also enter the medical and aerospace industries. So this is where it gets really huge, guys, because before, when I mentioned that the advertisement industry was a $400 billion industry, now we're looking at medical and aerospace, which rises the bar for Verasity just that much more, because these two alone are trillion-dollar industries, guys. So now Verasity has opened the room for much more potential with this proof of view technology. And if you're wondering how exactly proof of view could be used in the medical industry and in the aerospace industry, here are just a few examples. In the medical industry, fraud and stealing happens a lot. People lose their social securities all the time to very bad and dishonest doctors, nurses, etc. So with that being said, now with the proof of view, we can actually use proof of view to verify exactly who has came into contact with specific patient's information. And with that being said, things will be able to be verified on the proof of view platform, and they will not be able to be manipulated. So these are all just example situations, and I'm not sure if they can actually be implemented, so don't take them word for word and don't hold it to any high standard. But anyways, guys, let's say that there is a med cart, because my wife works at a medical facility and there's a med cart. Alright, so with the med cart, the meds have to be verified every single shift. Every time somebody leaves and somebody else comes in, the meds have to be counted and accounted for. And if there is one med missing, then the whole system has to stop. they have to find out what happened with that med, and if they don't, then whoever was in charge of that cart is held accountable. So with that being said, proof of view would actually help verify things with med carts inside of medical facilities. Why? Because in a lot of medical facilities, medical professionals are manually keeping track of all of the medications that they are passing out, and that leaves room for human error. With proof of view, there is no room for human error because they're using proof of view technology. And basically, every time that a medication is passed out, it will be logged on the proof of view blockchain. So with that being said, there will be multiple witnesses as to what time and when and to who that medication was given to. All of this information could be available to the public through the VRA chain, which is through the blockchain. So with that being said, there is no room for fraud and there's no room for theft. So now let's jump on to the aerospace possibility. So now there's a possibility that we could have satellites in the air that are providing data to us down here on Earth, and all of that data is being verified through the proof of view technology. So there's just so many possibilities here. So basically, by using artificial intelligence and 200 touch points, Verasity can determine whether a bot or a human is watching an ad in real time. This eliminates the need for post-delivery fraud analysis or requesting refunds from publishers. So basically, additionally, POV prevents view count and audience metric manipulation methods, since legitimate views are verified and added to the publicly accessible blockchain that contains anonymized data. So here's a statement from RJ Mark, who is the founder of Verasity. He says, "Our patented POV technology, which is protocol layer technology, offers immutability and transparency for video advertisements and helps combat NFT fraud as well as online ad fraud. With this notice of allowance, we will be able to expand its patents globally." Guys, this is insane. RJ and the team are putting in absolute work. They are going absolute beast mode right now. They're putting in so much work for Verasity that it's crazy, and the future for Verasity is looking very, very bright. Even brighter than it already has been. So basically right here, Verasity aims to significantly increase user engagement and video monetization on video platforms. Its products include proprietary ad stack as well as reward systems that are integrated into software development kits for YouTube, Vimeo, Twitch, and all other major video platforms, guys. So they are going to be able to utilize this to expand their reach to all major areas, guys. So this is going to be insane to watch unfold in the future for sure. So here's the current price that we are looking at for Verasity right now. As you all know, the market is being dragged down, but we are up 17% on this news. We were at a price of 0.043, 0.044, somewhere around there at the beginning of the news, but we've currently since then dropped down to about 4 cents flat. We are currently ranked at number 273 on coin market cap and have a market cap right now of $182 million. With a total volume on the 24-hour volume of $73 million. And right now, as you can see, Verasity, it has still been on a tear today. After this news, you can see exactly where the news kind of hit, like right down here around this area. But let's take a look at the 7-day for Verasity, because the 7-day for Verasity is looking quite similar to a lot of the other 7 days because of what happened recently. But as you can see here, we are making a sharp recovery to the upside now with this news, which is definitely going to prove helpful for Verasity in the near future as far as price goes. So I'm going to go to TradingView really quick here, and this is a trend line that I had drawn out for Verasity following the previous dip. So basically, I'm going to zoom in here for you guys really quick so you guys can see this. So right here was where I was looking at, like, anytime we drop below this, it got a little dangerous, but now we are well above the trend line, and we are heading up towards 0.45, back to where we were around when all of this crash happened with the liquidity scare and everything like that. But anyways, guys, we are heading in a bullish direction, and I'm going to scroll out on the further view for you guys to kind of see this. As you can see, that's a sharp incline up, very, very similar to this incline up here. and it's really mirroring this just beginning stage of when Verasity took off to its previous all-time high around 5 cents. This is definitely looking like a beginning stage for this, but this is going to be the second churn upwards towards the end of the year, in my personal opinion. As you guys all know, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but in my personal opinion, I believe we are about to go parabolic in the near future, especially with the Verasity team continuing to provide well over exceeding expectations for the project. But anyways, guys, that's all the news I wanted to talk about today. This is just like really crazy that Verasity has just been moving at this rate, and I've seen a few projects move quite similarly, but like nothing like this, guys. So we're gonna go over here really quick and just go over the Q3 and Q4 expectations. So we've still got quite a few things down the pipeline for Verasity that haven't been touched on, like the mobile wallets. So we have this here, the mobile wallets. We have the influencers and tournaments and streamers that are going to be branded. And we have also the that didn't sound good. We also have the view verification of proof of view. We have ad fraud detection with proof of view. So we've been touching down on a lot of this stuff, guys. So we also have the NFTs. We have Esports Fight Club store launch. We have things over here for Q3, like the notifications for Vera Wallet. We have player statistics for EFC. There's just so much down the pipeline, guys. VRA, digital purchases for gaming hardware and enabled partnerships. I'm pretty sure that's coming very soon. There's just a lot that's going on with Verasity right now, and this is definitely a great time to be in the space of Verasity and GameFi esports, and now much more because they are expanding their reach. So this is definitely something to keep an eye on, guys. My price predictions have stayed put with this one. They have not changed like much other projects. I've actually had to change my price predictions on quite a few of them based off of the current like trading system as where they are right now chart wise. But with this one, guys, this one has been firm since day one. I know for a fact, but as I've said before, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I personally know for a fact in my own heart that this is going to be a winner in the near future, guys, and I am glad to be holding this one with you guys. But anyways, this is all I've got for today's video. If you like my content, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about Verasity VRA. Anyways, guys, wish you guys the best of luck with your days, and I'll see you in the next one.